Hello everyone, this is Chetan and I am excited to introduce our app Rate My Co-op to revolutionize the co-op experience for Northeastern University students. The app provides the user-centric platform for students to rate, review and explore co-op opportunities, fostering an informed and engaged student community. By emphasizing ease of use and transparent sharing of experience, Rate My Co-op aims to demystify the co-op selection process and support students in their professional growth. Let's dive into how Rate My Co-op addresses the real needs of students through its purpose-driven design. Rate My Co-op is a tailored experience designed specifically for Northeastern University's vibrant student community. The challenge was to create a platform where students could effortlessly navigate and discern through myriad co-op opportunities. Our solution was to build an app that not only enables the sharing of co-op experiences but also supports students with personalized guidance. This is where students come to gain and impart wisdom about co-ops, building a repository of knowledge that benefits the entire student body. Each function from reviewing a co-op to comparing opportunities is designed with the student's journey in mind, simplifying what can be complex process. With the foundation of student empowerment, let's look at how we brought Rate by Co-op to life through our design and ideation phase. The journey from the concept to the functional UI began with understanding the nuances needs of our student through contextual inquiries. We didn't just ask what student needed. We observed, we listened, and we crafted personas that represent the real spectrum of Northeastern student body. These personas become the cornerstone of our design, guiding our sketches and wireframes to ensure each feature resonated with our users. The evolution from low to medium fidelity was driven by active student feedback, allowing us to iterate quickly and with purpose. Expert evaluation were also very pivotal, providing an external lens to refine usability, accessibility, and ensuring our design met industry standards. Also, as you can see the images, there are of the low fidelity prototype. From early sketches to more developed wireframes emphasizing the iterative nature of the process. With our user-informed designs taking shape, let's see how these ideas were brought to life in our high-fidelity prototype. An integral part of our journey was the continuous loop of feedback and evaluation, crucial for transforming our concepts into a user-friendly interface. We regularly arranged sessions with Northeastern students, gathering direct insights that informed every design choice we made. Their voices were not just heard, but actively shaped the app, from the layout of buttons to the structure of review forms. Expert evaluation were equally vital, offering a professional perspective that helped us navigate the complexities of UI UX design. These experts scrutinized our prototypes from low fidelity sketches to advanced wireframes, ensuring our solutions were both innovative and practical. Consider using these flowcharts or diagrams to present the feedback process or photos from feedback sessions. Now, with the solid foundation from our collaborative efforts, let's explore the transition from our initial sketches to the more refined medium fidelity prototypes and high fidelity prototypes. The transition from low to medium fidelity prototypes marked a significant evolution in our design process. Starting with basic sketches, we embraced a granular approach, gradually infusing more detail and functionality into our designs. Feedback from our initial user testing was instrumental, highlighting areas for improvements and guiding us in refining the user interface. This phase saw the incorporation of more complex elements like interactive buttons, dynamic forms, and an intuitive navigation system. Our medium fidelity prototypes began to resemble the final product, offering a more realistic view of how users would interact with the app. The critical stage helped bridge the gap between conceptual ideas and a practical user-friendly application. Here in these images is the example of our medium fidelity prototype after working of user feedbacks and keeping expert evaluation in mind, maintaining all heuristic evaluation. So now, with a refined medium fidelity prototype in place, we were ready to develop our high fidelity prototype, which Nandini will demonstrate in the next part of our presentation. Here we go.
Hi everyone, this is Nandini Ilankilli and I'll be showing the demo of the app. So let me begin by showing the sign up page. So let me first try to create an account using an email ID which is not of Northeastern. I'm entering the password, confirm password. I'm just gonna select some random date of birth. So we have a date picker here for selecting the date of birth. And I'm entering a phone number. So we have restriction on how the phone number should be. It should be of certain format. Okay. Now I'm going to click on sign up and yeah. And I'll be getting an error message telling that it should be of a Northeastern email. And now I'm going to change it to a Northeastern email ID. Now I've successfully signed up the account and this is the home page. We have several options here: search for co-ops, write your reviews, check reviews, compare companies and recommendations. We also have a navigation bar in the bottom for the same. And let me just show you on how the navigation bar works. So this is review your co-op, check reviews, compare companies, recommendation. And if I click on home, I'll come back to the home page. So the first feature that I'm going to demo is search for co-ops page, where we've used a repeater. Let me first search based on the company name. So if I search Amazon, Amazon is displayed. If I search Facebook, Facebook is displayed. And I've also included pagination. So this is second page and this is first page. Now let me show the filters and date filter. Last month will be displayed. Last week will be displayed. Moving on to salary. If I click now 38, 35 and all is displayed. If I click 40 plus, we can see 62, 50, 40 and all being displayed. And location USA. If I click nearest, only the Massachusetts ones would be displayed. And rating. Now we can see that 3 plus is displayed, and if I change it, 4 plus is being displayed. So the next feature that I'm going to show is compare companies, and in order to compare the two companies, we'll have to search and select those two companies. First, I'm selecting Amazon. So there are various things that we can compare based on, like company size, headquarters, average salary, NEU co-ops count, ratings, top reviews, etc. And let me select the second company, which is Apple. So yeah, this is how it's displayed. Now let's go back to the home page. And if I want to sign out, I'll just click on the menu button on the top right and click on sign out. Thank you.
In our summative evaluation, we rigorously tested Rate My Co-op with Northeastern students to measure its usability. We focused on key tasks like logging in, searching, engaging with co-op listings to ensure our app performs efficiently and effectively. By using metrics like the system usability scale and net promoter score, we not only validated our app's user satisfaction but also pinpointed areas for refinement, aiming for an interface that's both intuitive and empowering. In ensuring RateMyCoop met our high standards, we executed a thorough evaluation remotely. Each participant using their own devices navigated the app while we observed and noted their interactions. Starting with a briefing and consent, we moved through a structured process, including pre and post task surveys and a system usability skill evaluation. This allowed us to capture not just the dry metrics, but the human reactions to our design, ensuring our app delivers a seamless and satisfying user experiences. Our tools from video conferencing to digital survey, ensuring efficiency and adaptability throughout the sessions.
Hello everyone, this is Bashi Jain. I'm presenting the results of a recent usability testing for our application. We conducted this testing to gather feedback from the user and identify the areas of the improvement. I will be going to share the key findings, which include task completion, user satisfaction, specific usability issues, and design recommendations. When we talk about the task completion rate, overall the user were able to complete the task successfully. Task 2 and 3 involved ratings and reviewing the co-op had a 100% completion rate. This suggests that the user found the task straightforward and easy to navigate. However, if we talk about task 6, it involves searching for the specific companies. The completion rate for it is 66.6%. It shows that it might have a potential usability issues that need to be addressed. Additionally, task 4 was about the filtering of the results, and it has a lower completion rate as well of 66%. It has the same issues that the application might not be user friendly or intuitive in that matter. If you talk about the task completion time and efficiency, the average time the user took to complete the task varied from task to task. Task 4 involved searching for the companies that have the highest completion time, that is 32.5 seconds. It may be because that the user may face some complexity and confusion while searching. Similarly, task 7 and 5 had also had completion rate higher than normal, indicating area for streamlining and simplification. Then we come to user satisfaction and perceived usability. We measured the user satisfaction using the SUS, that is System Usability Scale. The average such score was 61.25, which indicates modern usability. This means that most of the user found the app relatively easy, and there might be some areas of improvement. Then comes the usability issues. Based on testing, there are some key usability issues that we identified, which included lack of immediate feedback, limited visibility of recommendation, non-functional search and filter operations, inconsistency in design elements, lack of confirmation feedbacks. Um, for catering the usability issues, we have some design recommendations that we can incorporate in our application, which may include implementing a dynamic interface, introducing a carousel or list view, enabling a real-time data queries, standardizing design elements, and implementing system feedbacks. In conclusion, I would like to say that the usability testing provided valuable insight into the strengths and weaknesses of our application. By addressing these issues through our design recommendations, we can significantly improve our application and enhance the user experience, making the application more efficient and user-friendly. Moving forward, we will prioritize implementing these recommendations in the final prototype. Thank you so much for sitting through the presentation. Please post any questions on the discussion board. Thank you so much.